Student poses this question here, right? An equation of the line that passes through the points in the table. Okay, so this is they're asking linear equation. Okay, so linear equation is always in the form this y equals x, slope form. Okay, so this is what we want to start with. Okay, so it's always like the first thing you need to do is you need to find two variables or two variables you need to find yeah, you need to find. Okay, this is how you're gonna get an equation. To get an equation out of the table, you have two variables. Okay? So let's do m. So we're gonna find m first. Now m is basically your slope of the graph. Okay, the slope of the graph. And to do this is use the y2 minus 1 x2 x1. Okay, that's this formula. And then so we have the formula here, but now we need to know what is y2, what is y1, what is x2, what is x1. So what we do here is we're gonna grab 2 points from the tables. We have 8, a 16, 6. See there? And then we just label it x. You can label any one x1, x2, but they have to be consistent. The ones to be x2 and 2 together. See there? Then we go ahead and then we just change these variables here, which is going to change these variables right here. These variables are here. We're going to replace them with these that we got, right? So we're going to say m equals y2 is what? 2, 6. 2 is 6. y1 is 1. Minus 1. So we just substituting x2 now is what? 16. x1 8. Okay, then we just go ahead. 6 minus 1 is 5. 16 minus 8 is 8. So this is our slope right here. Our slope right here is 5/8. Okay, so now we have our m. So far our equation is going to look like this. Y equals 5/8 x plus b. Okay, so now we need to find all of these. So just set the b left in this equation. So I'm just changing or just substituting m and b to find those two variables. Okay, so now to find b, this is what we do. We know, so we're going to take the same equation, right? This one that we just have so far. It's 5/8, right? X plus b. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to change the x's and your y's. So by doing that, we grab again, we're going to grab points on the scale, the 8 and 1 again. The 8 come display, right? Because we know 8 is x, y, 1 is y value, right? So we just change it. So y can become 5/8, right? Times, what is x? We said x is 8 times 8. Plus b, we don't know what b is. Okay, and then the next step here we go, we just evaluate now the equation. 8 cancels out 8, right? So that leaves 5. So we're gonna go over here. So we're gonna go over here, so we're gonna have 1 equals 5 plus b. Okay, now we have 1 plus 5 b. Now we subtract 5 by both sides. You know, this solve an equation. Okay, if you don't know how to do that, get in contact with me. Set up sessions minus 4 is okay. So b. So now we have now we know that b equals -4. So now that we're done with this, I can delete this and make some space. Okay. So now we know what our final equation. Now we know what our m is and what our b here. So we just substitute those. So m was, we said 5/8. Okay, go back your x, and then we said p was -4, -4. So this is your final equation. Y equals 5/8, x, y equals 4. Okay, and then you can test it out, right? You can test it out. So let's see. Let's make sure of this. So 8, let's take the 8, right? This is here. We have to get our final result as well, right? So 8 times 5/8 is 5. Okay, equals 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. So y equals 1. So this is our equation. If you like what I showed here, seek my tutorial services and you can get it.